We're looking for the length of the arc that subtends an angle, sector angle of 225 degrees in a circle with radius 3.7 centimeters. Now, what subtend means is that it is the arc that is stretched out, so the distance around the circumference that's stretched out, made by the angle of 225 degrees. So that blue line is the arc that is subtended from the angle of 225 degrees. So to solve a problem like this, and to solve all these types of problems where we have the arc length and angle and area, is really we can just simplify it to this part-whole ratio. So when we talk about the part arc, which is part way around the circle compared to the whole circle, that fraction is the same as if we compare the part angle, in this case 225 degrees, to the whole angle of 360 degrees. And also, we can also compare this to the part area to the whole area. So where we're going to start then is we have the part angle of 225 degrees, and we're going to compare it to the whole angle of 360 degrees. And so that ratio, that fraction, is going to be same as part way around the circle, which is our arc, divided by 2 pi r, and 2 pi r is the circumference. So setting up this ratio, we have arc over 2 times pi times 3.7, which is our radius. And that's going to be equal to 225 over 360. And so that is going to be about 3, we can simplify that to 3 over 8, or 0.625. So then solving for the arc, I'm just going to cross multiply this. So arc is equal to 3 times 2 pi times 3.7, all divided by 8. And when I work this number out, we're going to get a number of 14.53. So that 14.53 represents the length of the arc. So 14.53, in this case, it'll be centimeters. And that's the distance that we're going to make from that arc. So you can imagine maybe about 4 of those red radius lines should make up that arc length.